Hi guys, Aubrey Wessels here. So let's quickly take a look at this quick tutorial on how you can go and create a video ad. So this is actually quite simple and quite fast to do. You can have this up and running within half an hour if your video is already ready. So let's quickly get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a post on our Facebook page. So you're going to go to your Facebook page, create post, and then you're going to upload your video and put your text in. So I've already done that a few times here. So let's just use this one as an example. You can see my copywriting is in there. I'm giving away a free course. All the links are up there and everything is right. My video is up there. And you guys can see I've already run a little bit of ads on this. So go and post your video on your Facebook page first. And then we're going to move over and show you how to go and run the ads. So when you're finished posting, go over to Business Manager. Then we're going to go and hit Create Ad. We're going to go to Video Views. And then we're going to name our campaign so we know what they are. Some media, video ad 1, ad set 1, ad 1, continue. Okay, so now we're going to get started. So video views are very good to use because you guys can go and create audiences and then go and retarget people that watched your video. So you can go and retarget people that watch 75% or 100%, 50%. You can go and target people that watch 3 seconds, 10 seconds, and so on. So video ad is a good way to go and do branding and build your audience on Facebook. So what you're going to go and do is you're going to run your video ad to people who have never seen you before. You're going to go and target interests. So let's say you're in the entrepreneur niche, you're going to go and target someone that's, let's say, follows Entrepreneur Magazine or Forbes or something like that. Your video ad is going to show to them and you're going to collect their information in the audience tab here in your Business Manager. So then later you can show them other ads because then they already know who you are and they've already seen you a little bit. Okay, so let's quickly continue with this. So we already did the naming, that's correct. Go down, that's video views. And everything here is correct. We're going to hit next. Then we're going to set a budget. So you guys can see mine is in rands because I'm in South Africa at the moment. I would say a good budget to go and use if you guys have the budget is $10 a day. But I've run ads on $5 a day to $3 a day when you're trying to get video views and they work great. So let's say we're going to take this down to, let's say, around $5 per day. And you guys see we still get a nice reach and it gives us the through place. So 328 is not bad. That's going to be quite good. And you guys are actually going to get a lot more views than this. This is just when people watch it for a certain amount of time and quite long. So let's quickly go and start with the audience. So when you guys are here, you finish with your budget. Just make sure on what your objective is. So let's say you're trying to do audience creation on Facebook. I would run your ad for, let's say you posted the ad. Wait around an hour or two, then go and set up the video ad. And then let's say you just want to run a small budget on it. So then just go and hit lifetime budget and put in the $10 or $15, whatever you want to put in here. Then let it run and then it's finished. Or if you want to go and use it continuously, keep it on daily budget. Okay, so let's move down to audience. So as I said, we're just going to target really something simple. So when you guys are running video ads and you guys are running to people who have never seen you before, you guys can keep it quite broad. So let's say for us in South Africa, we're going to give it to South Africa. We're not going to change anything in age. We're going to keep genders like this. And we're just going to go and change detailed targeting. So let's say for Wessel Media's sake, we want to target people in the digital marketing niche or people that are interested in digital marketing. So you guys can go and target magazines, podcasts. You can even sometimes get up here. Go and play around with this and find something that you know your the person in your niche are watching or are interested in. So go and target interests are the best to go and get. Targeting something like employment or behaviors can get a little bit difficult. So keep it to interest at first and then just build your audience from there and then take it down the funnel from there. Okay, so we're going to keep it very broad to digital marketing. You guys will see my audience is quite big, 1.4 million, but that's what we want when we're running video ads because we want to get as much views as possible so that people know who we are and they start seeing my face. Okay, so let's go down. Okay, so placements, you have a few options here. So if you do not know what you're doing and this is your first video ad ever, you guys can keep on automatic placements. So what that happens is you're going to give Facebook the power to go and put your video where it gets the most views. So Facebook is very clever, the algorithm is very smart. It's going to go and automatically run your video at the best place. It's going to test where your video gets the most views and it's going to keep it there. So you can also go and hit manual placements. And then you can go and choose, like what I like to do is I like just run usually Facebook news feeds and Instagram feeds after I've tested a bit. So you guys can do that, but for this video we're going to keep it on automatic placements. And you guys can go and play around here with this. You guys will see the free play. You can get 2-second continuous video views. All that stuff. Usually I just keep it to 3 plays because I found that works the best for us when we're starting doing branding and so on. Okay, then we're going to hit next. So then you guys are going to have to go in here and choose the Facebook page that you guys are going to use. So let's quickly go and choose Wessel Media. And then if you guys are running on Instagram, just go and connect your Instagram to it and run it onto that as well. Okay, so then we're going to go to create ad, or this one here. We're going to change create ad to use existing post. We're going to go down and we're going to say select post. And then you guys can just scroll around here till you find the post that you want to run the video to. So let's just use this one. This is the one that's on my page that I already posted. Okay, so then you guys will see when it imported the ad from the Facebook page, everything is going to be in here. So in this ad, I put the links inside the description up here, the primary text area. So then you guys can see there's my links. The video is up there. What's nice is if you guys pull it from your Facebook page, that's actually the reason why we do it from our Facebook page. Then the ad stays on your Facebook page. So you get all these views and all these social proof down here. We put people like it and share it and all that type of stuff and start to comment on your post. It stays on your Facebook page. So when you just switch off the ad, the post itself doesn't just disappear from your page. So then you keep it on your page. Just keep in mind, if you post this on your Facebook page, you will not be able to edit the stuff in here when the ad is running, because then it's already out there and you can just change live ads. Okay, so I put the stuff in here. You guys can see, click here to get access to the free course. I'll put another link down here. So all the links are in here. So I won't be able to add a button here because I've already added it in here and I've already used this as an ad before. Okay, so then you guys must just make sure some of the posts that you guys put up, so like you see, this one is a Facebook post, and I believe this one will not run on Instagram. So you guys must just make sure where are you running your ads to. If your goal is on both of them, just make sure you set it up so it does run on Instagram as well. I usually start out with Facebook and then I'll make my own ad on Instagram as well and run it there as well. Okay guys, so that's really simple. You guys can add your tracking in here and all that stuff as well. So this is how to set up a video ad. It's really simple. So remember to go and set it up on your Facebook page first. Put all the copywriting in here, post it. Give it maybe a day if you really have time to leave it for a day. Otherwise, just give it an hour to 2. And then you guys can start running the ad on Facebook Business Manager. And then just set up the ad exactly as I showed you and you guys will have success. So you guys must just make sure to go and check out your targeting, especially to make sure you guys are reaching the correct people that you want to show the ad to and what your ad objective is with the video. So just make sure if you just want to start building out your audience on Facebook to start running, let's say, lead generation ads too after they've seen you a bit on Facebook. Just make sure you set it up so you just get those 3-second video views and make your video in a way that you hook people and they at least watch for 3 to 10 seconds so that you can actually go and run the ads later to them. Okay guys, so make sure to subscribe below. We're going to be making a lot of content like this. You guys can check out the rest of our videos. You'll see there's a lot of course type content on there for us to go and help you to get traffic to your website.